Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2016 Mazda 3, and on this Mazda 3 we're going to go over how you've replaced the inner and outer taillight assembly. And this would be classified the inner. This one only has the reverse light that's in it. This one's got the turn signal and a parking and brake light built into it. So if you're you need to replace these, if they're broken or cracked, you want to go ahead and replace it. We're just going to go over that. So first, you're going to want to pop the trunk and then raise it up. You see this little black cover? We're going to pop this cover off, and then we're going to pop another piece off, and it will come in handy for when you're going to actually get this thing off. Right? So a little screwdriver or a little pick tool, you just pop this cover. It has tab on this side, and this is a little tab, so if you just push it down, you kind of push it this way and then pull it off. That side, same thing. We got two tabs here. Press each one and kind of pull on the back to pull it out, right? And then we pull that off. And see this lip here on the back is what catches, and it won't allow you to take the whole thing off the assembly. So then you're going to raise up the rest of the way. And then there was push pins you got to remove. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think there was a fifth one right here that you would remove. And once those are removed, then you can be able to pull this down. And then there's a bolt here, and undo the electric. Just push it and pull. This is the number 10 millimeter. And you're just gonna loosen it, and that's all you got to do from this side for the moment. So then bring the trunk down like this. You got your non-marring tool, or you can use a screwdriver wrapped with a paper towel. But you're going to put this in, and you're going to just kind of pry and pop on it. And for the first time, it's going to be a little, because there's like an adhesive sealant that goes around there. It's gonna feel like you're gonna break it, but you get it like that, and then it's just got another little clip over here. You put this in, right, and then just pop it off, and that's how you remove the assembly. And see, it was this tab and this tab is what's holding the assembly in there. So that's how you remove the assembly if it was cracked in or broken. And this is the adhesive type thing, sealant, that is going to stick in here pretty well, and so you think you're going to break it. And then these little kind of white plastic, that's where the one tab goes in, and that's where this tab goes in. So when you put it back in, and that's what you do. So you've got a new one because this one was broken, right? Then you just push it, snap it into place. Okay, so that's good there. Then we'll just go ahead and hook our electric back up, and then tighten our 10 millimeter there. Then we go ahead and put all the push pins back in, and these are just push in, with those all put in, then the last thing on this is go ahead and put this back in. It just snaps into place. And the same with this one. Put the bottom tab in first, kind of slope it down, and then just clip that in. And that's how you go ahead and remove. That's how you would remove and put back in or replace the inner tail light assembly of your Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.